Let's try question number 9. Which one of the following compounds is consistent with the following IR spectrum? So I can see right away I've got a big strong peak here at 15, 16, 17, so maybe around 17, 30, so somewhere around there. So I have a big carbonyl stretch, a C double bond O stretch. So which compounds don't possess a carbonyl? Compound number 1 has no C double bond O. Compound number 3 doesn't have the carbonyl. So that leaves us with compound number 2, which is a ketone, compound number 4, which is an aldehyde, and compound number 5, which is an ester. So if it was compound number 4, I should see the aldehydic carbon-hydrogen stretching at 2750 and 2850, and if I go back here I see 3000, 29, 28, 27, so that means I should see a peak here and peak here, and I definitely don't see any peak at 2750, so I know that this can't be compound number 4. It's not an aldehyde. So then I have a choice between the aldehyde or the ketone. So how would I differentiate between those two compounds? Well, in the ester, so differentiating between the ketone and the ester, in the ester I should also see the carbon-oxygen, the single bond stretch. And in an ester, that carbon-oxygen, so for an ester, I'm going to write that down. For an ester, the CO stretch, not only do I see it between 1,300 and 1,000 reciprocal centimeters, but it's also very strong, or it's usually strong. So I'll put that. And you can see I have, here's 1,000, so here's 1,100, 1,200, 13. And you can see that I have a couple of really strong stretches here. So one of these for sure is going to be responsible for the carbon-oxygen stretch that's present in an ester. So therefore, I know that this must be compound number 5. It must be an ester, and it's not compound number 2.